It's kind of cool right there, right? Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so right here is the Portuguese bookstore, and we have lots of books about Macau in particular. And I thought I'd just kind of start out here, but I'm going to be showing this right here. So try to keep my camera steady. This is not the GoPro. If you like this, make sure you like it. Hit the like button. So I'm just going to kind of zoom in and we'll just see what we can see, if anything interesting. So yeah, kind of lots of people coming and going. We got these kind of cool balconies right there. And I think let's kind of see everything that's around here. Newspaper stand with postcards, tourist things. It's a Daiso and a McDonald's. Kind of an old style building with a balcony with an M on it. That one too. Portuguese bookstore. Had these two sisters or something. Kind of interesting. You can view them okay. I guess not, but they're trying to take a picture, so I kind of want to use some people watching with this camera today if I can, but I can't seem to get them. Those guys are kind of interesting too. Kind of hanging out there. I can capture that with a selfie. We're kind of playing around the zoom and just kind of seeing what we can see today. So I think what I'm going to do is see what we can find that's interesting. There's an alley right here. And this is, there's a lady here that's just kind of I don't know what she's doing. Just kind of zoom in and see. It's the beauty of this particular camera. You can see what people are doing. So I don't know. Like she's selling something, but it looks like she's picking everything up too. So okay. So let's kind of walk more into the center. Try to hold this camera steady because I don't have stabilization on it. And later I'll try to get a better camera as well. Let's just see. This place here is popular, quite popular. Zoom in on that. Don't see many people there today though. And this alley. Let's see what this one is. Since 1995, okay. Yummy surprise, this is new. I haven't seen that before. And let's see. Okay. Just gonna go back around. Try to hold this as steady as possible. And I'm trying to keep my videos a lot shorter, so I'm going to try to stay put and just kind of view one of these spots for a little while. So yeah, this is a pretty popular tourist area right in here. Tourist signs, it's kind of throughout Macau, they have little tourist signs like that, beautiful balconies like that. I should say the beautiful balconies are in the Portuguese areas, which is like this area. Not all beautiful, some of them are just kind of cages, and some of them in Macau. I'm just going to walk down a little bit more and try to hold this camera as steady as possible. And I'm going to try to conclude once I get up near the St. Anthony's Church up here. And just kind of gives you a taste of a little bit of Macau anyways. So, okay. St. Anthony's is on the right. And I think I'm going to conclude it when I get a nice shot of St. Anthony's. It's kind of cool right there, right? So we're just gonna they're building something here for. I'm just gonna grab a seat. I'm gonna grab a seat right here, and now we can just sit and see things steadily. So yeah, kind of a balcony, but there's like scaffolding in there, so there must be doing something. So, okay, a lot of tourists everywhere. Picture taking. They got new people up here taking pictures too. So, okay. Kind of interesting anyway. Kind of routine in this area. I'm going to conclude right here in a minute, so yeah, I think I need to get my other camera, the GoPro style stuff. There's another one that I'll use instead though. Yeah, this might be a good shot to conclude right there. I think that one's kind of cool. It's big doors like that, and we'll stop.